Ganito, pakinggan naman natin ang nagaganap na pahayag ni Secretary Laila De Lima sa ilang miyembro ng media.
The Senate President referred the request for subpoena to Mrs. Napoles to the office of the Ombudsman. And I think it's because the Senate President is also aware of the provisions in the Ombudsman Act and the Ombudsman Rules of Procedure. Ganon din ako. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi ko dadalhin.
So sa Thursday po, dadalhin niyo na po sila?
Kung may subpoena, if I receive a subpoena, then I have no choice. Kahit wala. Although mas gusto ko sana na between now and Thursday ay malaman na natin kung ano ang pinakaposisyon ng Ombudsman.
Pero mali ba ang posisyon ng Ombudsman?
Then I have no choice but to comply. If I receive a subpoena, then I have no choice because otherwise I might be cited for contempt. Gusto ko lang linawin. Check kanina, gusto ko rin sanang i-clarify din yung sinabi niya. I wanted to dispute what he was saying na bakit daw noon pinapayagan ko yung mga whistleblowers na nagpapa-interview kung kani-kanino. Unang-una, wala po akong ganong permiso sa mga whistleblowers kung sino sa kanila ang mga nag-i-interview. In fact, palagi ko nga kinukulang attention ng NBI team. Bakit ganon? May mga nakakalabas na mga impormasyon tungkol sa ongoing investigation. Ang sagot is that, ma'am, kasi I think, sabi nila, yung mga ibang impormasyon ay nanggagaling sa mga whistleblowers or their lawyers na wala naman kaming control at that point. And that was before the filing of the complaint. So, gusto ko pong linawin yun. That the whistleblowers never asked for my permission to be interviewed or to talk to the media. If they did talk to the media during those times, it was not with my authority. Maingat nga ako doon. I always